It's Nick and you're watching for the Leet unboxing video for the Godox 90F. And when we open the box, this is what we get. Now these are the legs. These are very sturdy. And it's pretty hard to actually just get them out. As you can see, it's pretty stable. Now here we have a spigot as well. This is because the shortest that this floor light stand can be is only 9 centimeters. That's with mounting the spigot directly into the legs, like so. Obviously would unbind the legs fully. Or you can have this light stand go as high as 87 centimeters. That's with this central pipe folded out completely. Now this is not very tall tripod, and usually tripods, especially tripods for the light, are quite tall. Now what makes this tripod quite different is that it's actually pretty small when fully folded, and it's extremely compact. Also, one more thing is that it's actually pretty heavy. The central pipe not so much, but the legs are extremely sturdy. This means that there's greater stability when it comes to very or pretty heavy heads, be it LED video light or photo light. Obviously, if you are in need of a taller tripod, then this is not the one for you. But if you're in a need to a very sturdy tripod, and I cannot stress this enough, this is one of the sturdiest tripods that I've seen by far for the light. You're watching for the Leet. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.